Kubera Tamil movie summary in English. Neeraj Mitra, a Mumbai businessman, discovers a oil reserve hidden in the Bay of Bengal. Eager to turn it into a source of wealth, he plans a mission along with his business tycoon dad with the backing of Minister Siddappa. To make it work, he turns to Deepak Tej, an ex-CBI officer now in prison for refusing to bow to corruption. Left with no choice, Deepak agrees to help. Though he does not share Neeraj's greed, his circumstances force him into the plan. Deepak gathers a group of beggars and makes them benemies, creating fake companies in their name and transferring funds between them. The beggars, Khelu, Dibya, Kushbu and Deva Kallam, from across the country to carry out the job quietly in Mumbai. Deva, a kind-hearted naive man from Tirupati, along with the other beggars have no idea what they has been dragged into. All four beggars are made to stay at a house with a cruel man named Robo, who takes advantage of the beggars and removes one of Khelu's teeth after he stole Kushbu's money. Deva gains blind trust for Deepak, who reminds him of his now dead brother Uppuli. Deva calls Deepak and tells him that Khelu is missing. Afterwards, Neeraj talks with Deepak and tells him that his plan is to kill the beggars after they are done with them. Robo takes advantage of pregnant Kushbu, but Deva defends her. Eventually, Deva discovers they plan to kill all the beggars after completing an iris scan, and he escapes. This sparks a manhunt with Neeraj and Deepak racing to find him before the truth unravels and they face the dire consequences of losing him. On the run, Deva meets Samira, who has been stranded in Mumbai after being jilted by her boyfriend. Deva almost dies after being caught by Robo, but his dogs go after Robo and eat half of his arm. Deepak goes to Tirupati in search of him after being instructed to do so by Neeraj. Deva frequents Samira, who now stays in a women's hostel after her friend's father did not let her stay at their place anywhere. They live off of Kushbu's money as she left a small box of money and told Deva that he should use it had anything happened to her. She helps Dhanush meet Narayan Gaikwad, one of the people Deva made a transaction with, who was killed by Neeraj. Deva tells the sub-inspector about the transaction, but the lack of details meant that Deva was thrown in jail for a petty case. After recognizing Neeraj's photo on a newspaper, the sub-inspector agrees to let Deva help him in his investigation. Deva leads him to a room in a flat building which Narayan frequents, which the sub-inspector and Deva figure out has lots of money. Deepak hunts down the location of Deva and the sub-inspector and subsequently kills the sub-inspector. Deva sneaks up behind Deepak, who traced his location, and hits him on the head with a rock. Deepak, who reformed after seeing how inhumane Neeraj is, tells Deva and Samira that he wants to help them after they keep him captive. Deva tells Deepak about how he wants all of the beggars in various cities to have basic necessities, and Deepak tells Deva that in order to expose Neeraj they need evidence. Deepak reveals to them that Kushbu is still alive and well, and Deva demands that he meets Kushbu. Robo and his team track down their location and kill Kushbu right after her son is born. Deva helps a lorry driver unload crores of money that was stored in Narayan's house in front of Neeraj's house. Neeraj asks Deva what his demands are and Deva tells Neeraj that he should live as a beggar for one day. Despite living as a beggar for one day, Neeraj does not reform as he does not take his job seriously and doesn't ask for alms as his intention is finding Deva. A fight in a garbage landfill leaves Neeraj dead. Siddappa strikes another deal for his oil rig while Deva brings Kushbu's son to Tirupati where a beggar names him Kubera.